Here's how to change your time zone in Remember the Milk. To change the time zone on Remember the Milk is actually really easy. All you do is scroll on up to this gear icon here in the top right corner of your screen, click on that, and then scroll down to Account Settings, click on that, and then it's actually hidden on this first page. You'll have to scroll down. But if you notice right here, you can click your time zone. And that's it. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.